Hello, audio. The cooling system is what we're going to talk about today. The cooling system consists of the fan, the water pump, the the thermostat, and a lot. So let's get now this the cooling fan of Toyota Corolla. Um, this a double fan. As you can see, this is one of the fans and the blade. Rotate when you turn on the ignition, and the temperature rises to a certain level. The fan turns on. So there's the fan, and then you can see it's electrically connected. You can see the connection from the back, the base of the fan. That rotor, as the motor in the fan that rotates it. From there is a connection. So you can see as I'm touching and pointing towards it. So that's the wire, and this wire, when you trace it down, it leads towards the relay and fuse box. So this fan is controlled by the relay and fuse. This is the other side of it. This other is the condenser fan. And there are two fans. One is the radiator fan, the other is the condenser fan for AC and all that. So not just the fan, the radiator and all that, but we are looking strictly on the electrical component in the cooling system. So when you trace this hose that leads from the fan, you can, although it's kind of tight here, we can hardly see it, but it leads to the engine, and that's where you can find the thermostat that controls kind of use touch. We'll not be able to see it. We'll check other vehicles so that we can see the connection clearly. But in between those exhaust, those manifolds, you will find the thermostat. You find it. Nice. Now this is an ODAT fan. It has a single fan, unlike the other. Due to this is just the radiator fan. It doesn't have AC unit, so single fan is okay. No condenser fan, so there's it. But from this we can clearly this is the radiator. Like I said, it has just radiator and no condenser. So from this one, you can clearly see that the motor of the fan is at the base of the fan. Okay, when you trace this pipe, then they are coming from the radiator. This pipe. Then you see it leads into the engine. Inside of that place, there's where the thermostat is. So when the temperature of the vehicle is kind of high, it correlates for releasing of a line of cool water to flow in, and also actuate the fans to come up to start operation. So that's it. The thermostat is located inside the engine block. So I'm trying to point to the water pump. That's the water pump. It's a mechanical. The water pump is a mechanical system. So without this is the fan of ML-TV20, and when you look at it, this fan you see here comes directly from the crankshaft. So this fan doesn't turn on until the engine is turned on, and it's to support cooling of the vehicle. it is inbuilt from the engine. So that's from the crankshaft. But when you come closer, I'm trying to pull over this engine cover so that we can check if we can locate the thermostat. Okay, I think we're gonna get something. So you can see if you trace this pipe coming from the radiator, you're gonna see it here. I think lighting up this place will show us better. So this pipe leads down into the engine block where the thermostat is located in. So we have touched the okay, we have a light, so you can see this pipe is inserted into the engine block. Before the water is distributed to the various spots of the engine, there's a thermostat to detect its temperature and send signal to the fan so that it can easily turn off for cooling of the engine. So when you look at this Mercedes-Benz, it has that fan we saw from the engine crankshaft is not electrically powered. So that fan is not sufficient and it's not covered on the cost. But when we come over towards the front, we are going to see two electrical powered fans. These are our cosine here in this course. These two fans are electrically powered, mounted at the front of the radiator, although the condenser is just before the radiator. But these two powerful fans are what heat cooling of the vehicle, heat cooling of the engine. So these are the fans. You can see the wire connection. Don't mind our videos. And this car is kind of dirty, and so as you can see, I'm trying to rotate the fans. And when you turn on the engine and it's warm up to a certain level, you see this fan turn on. Thank you very much.